Okay. That actually feels better, but I can feel it's not. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I feel like it needs to be cracked more now. Like, okay. 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 It doesn't feel so stiff as it was. What? I didn't even know you can crack that. Like, I didn't know that you can crack all that. What is that? Okay. 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 This is okay. Okay.
Take a deep breath in and out.
Wow. I've never cracked my back before. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. What? Wait. I already feel so much better. Okay.
Deep breath in and out.
What? Oh my god. Oh. What? That felt crazy. Okay. Wow. Wow. I feel taller almost. Is my back straighter? It feels straighter, like, I don't know, like elongated, or like not as pressed, yeah, stiff. Wow.